Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's make some tricky tests using this radio, iradio 98+, because this radio works on 27 MHz. Let's try to catch the signal using the second radio in AM mode, and I'm going to transmit the signal in FM mode, but using some shift. Let's select the frequency and mode. Yeah, AM mode 27,215 MHz, channel in citizen band 21.
27.215. Testing, from mode. 27.1.215. Testing. 27.213. Testing. 27.212. 27.211. Testing. Audio. I think this is the best. Around 3 kilohertz difference. Currently, I'm transmitting on 27.212 megahertz and receiving on 27.215. But I'm transmitting in FM mode and receiving in AM mode. Audio, testing. This is Radio Sturman in AM mode, original AM mode, testing. Let's compare to iradio in FM mode, but with some shift. iradio 27.212, 2 kHz shift, 3 kHz shift, testing. 2.5 kHz shift, FM frequency, FM mode, testing. Let's go back. 3 kHz shift, testing, audio. 3.5 kHz shift, shifting 3.5 kHz, 27.2115. Testing, audio.
Let's save the frequency, switch to AM mode, then go to the channel settings, offset frequency, select I think 3.5 kilohertz works pretty good. Offset direction, then go back and select transmission power, AM mode, high power. When we press PTT button, the frequency changes. Let's save this frequency. Basic settings, save channel number 2. Okay, go back and select this second channel. Yeah, second channel, AM mode, FM mode. In this tricky case, we can transmit in FM mode, but someone can catch our signal in AM mode on this frequency when we press with some difference. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.